JavaScript is a scripting language produced by Netscape for use within HTML web pages. JavaScript is loosely based on Java and it is built into all the major modern browsers. This tutorial gives a complete understanding on JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript started life as LiveScript, but Netscape changed the name, possibly because of the excitement being generated by Java.to JavaScript. JavaScript made its first appearance in Netscape 2.0 in 1995 with the name LiveScript. JavaScript is a lightweight, interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities that allows you to build interactivity into otherwise static HTML pages. The general purpose core of the language has been embedded in Netscape, Internet Explorer, and other web browsers. JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language designed for creating network-centric applications, complementary to and integrated with Java, complementary to and integrated with HTML, open and cross-platform. Client-side JavaScript. Client-side JavaScript is the most common form of the language. The script should be included in or referenced by an HTML document for the code to be interpreted by the browser. It means that a web page need no longer be static HTML, but can include programs that interact with the user, control the browser, and dynamically create HTML content. The JavaScript client-side mechanism features many advantages over traditional CGI server-side scripts. For example, you might use JavaScript to check if the user has entered a valid email address in a form field. The JavaScript code is executed when the user submits the form, and only if all the entries are valid they would be submitted to the web server. JavaScript can be used to trap user-initiated events such as button clicks, link navigation, and other actions that the user explicitly or implicitly initiates. Advantages of JavaScript. The merits of using JavaScript are less server interaction. You can validate user input before sending the page off to the server. This saves server traffic, which means less load on your server. Immediate feedback to the visitors. They don't have to wait for a page reload to see if they have forgotten to enter something. Increased interactivity. You can create interfaces that react when the user hovers over them with the mouse or activates them via the keyboard. Richer interfaces. You can use JavaScript to include such items as drag-and-drop components and sliders to give a rich interface to your site visitors. Limitations with JavaScript. We cannot treat JavaScript as a full-fledged programming language. It lacks the following important features. Client-side JavaScript does not allow the reading or writing of files. This has been kept for security reasons. JavaScript cannot be used for networking applications because there is no such support available. JavaScript doesn't have any multi-threading or multi-process capabilities. Once again, JavaScript is a lightweight interpreted programming language that allows you to build interactivity into otherwise static HTML pages.